Good morning.
Good morning.
So we have just left the van where we parked last night and we are now walking to go get some breakfast. Excuse the wind, it is Wellington, we can't change that. So yeah, we're going to go get some breakfast. We actually are going to the same place we went to last time we were here.
Maranui Cafe, something like
It's
that.
like a surf cafe, that's like a surf rescue cafe, but...
It's in Lyle Bay.
Yeah.
So there's plenty of places that we could have gone before here, but we just really liked it.
Yeah, and it's about 35 minutes walk. And then afterwards we're going to go do a Weta, it's not experience this time, it's more of a tour of their actual kind of facilities, and which should be good. And then after that, so we're going to walk to there, and that's another like 45-50 minutes. Then after that we're going to go to back to Man for a little bit, and then we are going to go meet the new house sit that we're doing. So we've got a house sit for a few days here with a golden retriever. Then after that we have another house sit which is 2 dogs and a cat, also near Wellington. But yeah, so lots going on, lots to do. But yeah,
we're only walking because we don't want to lose our spot in the room.
Yeah, but join us for breakfast and then let's go to Weta. It's time for breakfast. Yeah. Breakfast time. Hmm?
That's where it all is.
Yeah. Hey. It's loud.
It's always busy in here.
I got a quesadilla. Alex got red rocks, which is like scrambled egg. It's the same thing we got last time. Well, that was pretty good as always.
Yeah, really nice.
Still really nice atmosphere in there as well. Now we're bracing the wind as we walk to Weta.
Yeah.
But it's a nice day.
Yeah. People out surfing.
Yeah.
Which is the surf club with the
Cool. See you at Weta. This way.
First edition, so just come out. Oh, okay. With Baxter?
Within the dark powers of the rain and Frodo's strength, trying to prevent him from taking the ring. A sort of mist flame environment.
Wow, close you can tell. Barely, if you know what you're looking for. But you have to know. They had skiing, baby.
More valuable in time. So we just finished up at Weta and it was really good. But you may have noticed, you can't actually film in there. Basically because they're using like real props and they are owned by the company, like by the film companies rather than them, they're not actually allowed to show them.
You know, they have to basically get rid of everything after the contract's up.
Yeah. But no, it's worth going to if you're interested in that side of it. And our guy Mark was really nice, knowledgeable, worked actually in this industry as well. So he did some model making for the Blade Runner 2042 film, which is cool. But yeah, worth going to. Now we are going to walk back to the van, chill out for a bit before we go meet our new dog sitting host. So yeah.
Real specific. Real life feature.
Ramen.
Ramen?
Ramen. Ramen? Yeah. We got the same because we're basic. But ramen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So we left the Freedom Camp, just came to Pack and Save, get some breakfast, which we just picked up because we're going to our house sit. So the host should be gone by now. One is in Taupo and the other one was going to Australia this morning. So we need to just go find the key and then go meet Baxter.
Yeah, so we actually did meet Baxter yesterday just to go.
We went through things.
Yeah, went through everything that we need to do because their flight I think was 4 a.m.
Yeah.
So I didn't really want to meet them at 4 a.m. surprisingly.
No. So yeah, we're gonna go meet Baxter and get ourselves settled into the house, and then we've got to go out at 12 for the Super Rugby because the game has been moved forwards.
Yeah, originally the game was this evening, but because of the bad weather they've had here, the stadium hasn't had a chance to do the work that they need to do on the floodlights. So
gotta play in the day.
Yeah, they were like, well, just play during the day, which is fine, and it does work for us, but it's a bit like,
Yeah.
okay.
Gotta figure out the bus as well. So yes.
Yeah, looks to be a good day.
Yeah.
Someone's waiting for us. Hey, Baxter. As you can tell, Baxter was traumatized by his owners going out this morning. No E.T. Oh, right there.
This is Baxter. Hey, Baxter. Oh yeah.
You just kind of open up and think, oh, flop, oh, flop, oh, flop.
Oh.
Big old cuddle. Oh, big stretch.
Are you taking yourself for a walk? Yes. Yes.
Taking Baxter out for his first walk with us before the Super Rugby, and he's taking himself. And Alex struggles with this game. Off he goes.
Crash.
Hey, so we are just on our way to go to the Super Rugby. We've got a really good game coming up, so it should be good. But we're just waiting for the bus. And there's one here. So it's a lovely day. Yeah, we've made it basically to the stadium. Had a few people guide us and we got to use the bus for free, which is good.
Yeah.
Now we're just going to have to go find our seats and get a beer.
Yeah.
So the game itself is Hurricanes, which are the local team, versus the Chiefs, which Alex is going for the Hurricanes.
Oh, got the right colours.
I might be going for the Chiefs, but it's fine. Can you tell us different to the UK?
Because in Vapours, Sky Stadium is a smoke-free venue.
Game time.
Yeah.
Oh, you're very classy.
22.
Let's go this way. So we got some beers, we got our seats, got a pretty good view,
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. You're the last row up.
but still, but more importantly, beer. Alex and I really enjoyed the rugby. It was a really good time. Got the bus back, took the dog out. That was interesting. Nah, he was alright. He just got a bit rambunctious, tore a hole in my hoodie a couple places, but that's fine. And we were feeling lazy, so we might have got some chicken from Angry Chicken and some fries because we are fat. And someone, since we've got the chicken, has been very interested. Baxter. Hello. Good boy.